What's going on? I'm going to show you how to connect card, a landing page, form to GetResponse. I've been using GetResponse for several years. I love this platform. So we have an account here. We have a list already built. So what you want to do on GetResponse is just go into contacts and then create list. You'll give it a name and you'll get a list. So we have our list here ready to go. What we want to do is go into the settings. So we want to click these dots, click settings, and then this is kind of how I just lay things out. You can fill more information out if you want, but really all you need is the list name, obviously the address, and that's about it on this page. Subscription, I like to just leave it like this. Again, not too many settings you have to worry about there. And then also the email. So you want to verify, make sure your domains are verified. So whatever emails you're using, you want to come from an actual domain, not like Gmail or a free service, right? So if you have any questions on that, let me know. I can always make a video on that. So I have my domains set up here. So these are the emails that are going to go out to people. And just a subject line, let's confirm your subscription. I just leave all this the same. So we'll just go ahead and save that. And general, we want to open the general tab again because we're going to be utilizing this token here. And over on card, when you create a landing form or a landing page and you build a form, so which is just this plus button, and then you'll just add a form anywhere you want. So once you click that form, you'll notice the API key and then the list token. So what we want to do is jump back over here. And then for this list, we want to grab this token right here. So we'll copy this, throw that into here, and then just go ahead and click done and save for a minute. Make sure that stays. Okay, so that's saved in there, should be saved. So we got our token. Now we need the API key. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that real quick. So we want to go to Tools. And then, let's see, API integrations and API here. And then we want to just come up to the API tab and then go ahead and generate API key. So we'll just do SFN. And then I'll just, I like to do the date, 10/6/24. And we'll just click generate. And then obviously I'm going to redo this because you don't want to ever share your API key. So I'm going to copy this right here and then throw it into the API key section there and click done. And now we'll just click save over on card, publish the changes. And if we view the site, let's give it a refresh here. So it should load up. Let me just refresh it one more time, just to make sure everything's refreshed. So now I'll just put my name in, David, and we'll just do davidjustin@me.com. Oh. I accept, and then we'll submit, and then we should get this email in GetResponse. So right now we have this, you are in. From Seattle Fan Nation, so that's good. I have that pop-up that pops up, and now we should be able to go into contacts and see that see my email that came in. So if we come back over to contacts and then look at Seattle Fan Nation, it looks like we have one contact. So if we click on this, we should see my email here. So you can see that it did indeed go into the list from card. So that's how you set the forms up on a card. If you have any questions, let me know. Be happy to answer any questions, but as you can see there. And like I said, never share your API keys. I'm going to go ahead and delete that API key and just redo that. But if you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.